Men, do not get this confused. Nowhere in the Bible does it say that women, even your wife, cannot be in her own ministry, in her own capacity, if not under the covering or leadership of a man. Make the distinction between marriage and ministry. In a marriage, the wife submits to her husband because of the marriage order. But this command is only given for marriage, not for ministry. And in the marriage order, your wife is also not less than you or less capable than you because she submits to you. She is equal to you. When God created man, He made him in the likeness of God. He created them male and female, and blessed them and called them mankind, in the day they were created, as in Genesis 5 verse 1. Both men and women were created equally in the image of God.